Why did you put me in here with that thing?
I think he's ready to leave now. He's like, come on. I've decided I don't like her. Oh, the ugliness of two horses getting to know each other. Be nice, boys. She's the one who's the brat.
Yeah, I know she is. She's the one.
She's a brat.
You should turn around and kick him. Oh.
Oh, you show her, Buck. You tell her. You push her little buttons.
I bet you could push her buttons,
Oh,
Buck.
he can push her buttons.
I bet. And I think he just realized it. Yeah, she nipped him on the rear end.
Well, it's okay.